Come test drive this 2017 Kia Cadenza. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine.
Enjoy the fresh air with the available panoramic sunroof. The power sunshade makes operating the sunroof quick and convenient. Up to 5 passengers sit comfortably in the leather-trimmed interior. Kia prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including lane departure warning, Bluetooth wireless technology, hands-free connectivity with steering wheel mounted controls, and cruise control. The interior of the cabin is well appointed with technology, luxury, and other creature comforts to ensure maximum enjoyment during your drive. With air conditioning, optional navigation system with HD radio, and available UVO e-services infotainment system, you can outfit the Forte to your preferences.
Kia also prioritized safety and security by including front and rear side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Driver and passenger safety is priority number 1 for Kia. Carefully placed front and side airbags, 3-point seat belts, and tire pressure monitoring system are just a few of the features that are included in the Kia Rio to ensure the safety of you and your passengers.
The 2017 Kia Cadenza. This vehicle is a triumph, continuing to deliver top-notch execution in its segment.